What is the AutoCAD scale command? The scale command in AutoCAD allows you to proportionally enlarge or shrink the size of an object. It achieves this by prompting you to enter a scale factor. A scale factor that is greater than 1 will enlarge the object. On the other hand, a scale factor between 0 and 1 reduces the object's size. How to scale by factor in AutoCAD. To use the AutoCAD scale command to scale a drawing by a particular factor, follow the procedure below. 1. Type the word scale on the command line in AutoCAD and press Enter. 2. Specify the object you want to shrink or enlarge by left-clicking on that particular object. 3. Set the base point. A base point acts as a reference point from which the object is enlarged outward or shrunk inward. It is worth noting that you can use the AutoCAD OSnap feature to increase your accuracy when selecting a base point. In particular, you can utilize it if you wish to use a midpoint, endpoint, or a circle's center or quadrant as the base point. 4. Input the scale factor. Again, remember that a figure between 0 and 1 shrinks the object, while any scale factor greater than 1 enlarges the object. 5. Press Enter to complete the scaling.